So right here is my double barrel waste oil burner. It runs off of used engine oil. Right now it's about 29 degrees outside. There's my oil. You can't really see what's going on there as far as how much is flowing out in there. Let me get a flashlight real quick. But all I'm doing is oil's coming from my outside bulk tank down into here, past a main shutoff valve, going into my metering valve out of an old water faucet valve. Runs down the pipe. My inducer motor off an old furnace. This pipe actually flows into the main pipe. The air is coming through, and that goes into a blast pot inside of this barrel stove. Open this up real quick, kind of give you a glimpse of what's going on inside there. So I got an old Dutch oven, the chamber pot, not chamber pot, I'm sorry, the blast pot inside there. You can see a tube coming down inside of it. Got a steel cover on top of it. Kind of redirects the flames, don't burn my barrel out. And just some mass steel inside there just to hold the heat after it's shut off. So it's just a double barrel kit I picked up at the local Rural King. Inside there you can see what's going on inside the upper chamber. It's just a basically heat exchanger. It's a rotor sitting on top of it with a fan. Currently right now I'm running about 300 degrees my flue temp. So I'm gonna run upstairs to show you what's going on up there. But this is a big old barn. So give me just a moment here. So downstairs is where that oil burner is, and up here I have a big pipe that goes over the flue pipe that we're using this fan to pull the heat that's coming off that pipe up into the area up here. Up here is kind of an entertaining area. You got a pool table, and my son has his Dungeons and Dragons room over there. But we heat the upstairs, the barn. It gets, we can get it 50 degrees up here, about 65 downstairs. But what's even cooler is the third floor of the loft. And we built all this here a couple of years ago for the kids, and now one's moved out, the other one joined the Marine Corps, and now we just have the 14-year-old at home. But they'll have sleepovers and whatnot, but this area up here even stays warm enough to be able to hang out just with that oil burner downstairs. So that's kind of how we're eating this big old barn. And when I say it's a big old barn, we're 45 feet to the peak. We're 40 foot by 40 foot, built back in about 1890 to 1900. So she's over 125 years old either way you look at it. Big old beast of a building. That's how we heat all this, and it's all free heat.